So I've never really been into super cinematic footage for my own work. I mostly like to capture things that are going on in real time, and I'm more of a kind of fast-paced filmer. I don't like to get too much into the nitty-gritty, but I do like options that allow me to get a cinematic look quickly, which is why in this video I'm going to be using Dehancer. They sent me a license to use their plugin software that allows you to create filmic looks within the footage that you have, and they've just released a camera profile that's specific for the Osmo Pocket 3, which allows you to convert D-Log M footage and turn it into something really cinematic. So we're going to take a little look and see how that looks on this footage. This footage right now is filmed in D-Log M. I'm going to use this on some footage from the other day that I took in the forest when the bluebells were blooming, and it looked really beautiful. So let's check it out and get into a bit more detail. Alright, so overall, what are my thoughts about this plugin? Well, it's pretty easy. As long as you have the correct color profile and you can select it within the plugin for the application that you're using, whether it's Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, it's pretty easy to select what you want. The only downside I would say is it's quite hard to know which film stock emulation you want to go for. You kind of have to go and click through and have a look. I looked on the website and there are some examples showing you different film stocks. So maybe that's a good route to kind of get an idea of the color profile that you want to go for. But that was kind of the biggest challenge that I had. I actually used this plugin with DaVinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro. And I think you get a little bit more room to alter everything in DaVinci Resolve. I think just generally because the color grading options for footage in general are better. So I think I'm going to take the plugin for DaVinci Resolve despite the fact that I edit in Final Cut Pro. But still, with Final Cut Pro, it's pretty easy. You just throw it on there and select what you want. Now, of course, I didn't go super in depth with it as some people that are really into color grading will do. There are loads of options there that are kind of beyond my scope of understanding. But if you are a color grader, I'm sure you'd have a heyday going through all the different settings such as blooming and different grain effects and things like that. But from my perspective, straight out the box, just throwing it on top, I think it looks pretty cool. And I actually use this plugin on my C70 footage as well, and I actually think it looks better on that. So thanks for watching this video. If you do want to try Dehancer, there are all the links in the bio below, and also subscribe if you like this video, leave a comment below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.